Hey guys, it's me King Diablo, and in today's video I'll show you how you can fix crashes and stutters for the Batman Arkham series, including Arkham Origins, Arkham City and Arkham Asylum. I will also show you how you can fix the crash on Arkham Knight. So before starting this video, I would like to say few things. Firstly, if you don't have an SSD or a SATA disk, if you have HDD, then firstly upgrade it to SATA or NVMe SSD. This will increase your performance a lot. So the laptop I am using has i3 Gen dual core processor, 12 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD. Secondly, when you are running the games on low-end PC, try to turn off Windows Defender. That will boost your FPS a lot. So first let's start with Arkham Asylum. So this was the error that I was getting when I first downloaded Arkham Asylum. So there is two really easy fixes for this. Firstly, you need to download NVIDIA Physics. I will give the link in the description below for it. You just download it and install it, and that should make the game work. So as you can see, the game is now working properly. But if this doesn't fix your crashes, then there is another solution. All you need to do is go to Documents, open Square Enix folder, then open Arkham Asylum, and then go to BM game and delete all the files in there. Then start the game and it should work fine. Now let's see how you can fix the stutters in this game. So first let's start by changing the in-game settings. So open the launcher and go to settings and turn off VSync and hardware accelerated physics. Also, this is a really old game, so the FPS are capped at 62 FPS. So you can change it by accessing the game files. So open Steam and open the game in your library. Then go to Properties and select Install File and Browse Files. So that will take you to your games file, and from there go to BM game. Open BM game, then config, and then open your notepad and drag the default engine file on your notepad to open. In here, press F3 to open the search menu and type B smooth. Here change the minimum smooth frame rate to 60 and max smooth frame rate to 120, and then save the file. After saving the file, right click on default engine file and select the read only option and apply it. Now go back and open the engine folder, then config folder, and do the same thing with the base engine. This should fix most if not all the stutters in the game. Now let's see how you can fix stutters and lags in Arkham City. So firstly, let's start by changing the in-game settings. So open the launcher and then go to settings. In here, disable VSync and disable DirectX 11 features and DirectX 11 tessellation, and also disable the hardware accelerated physics. The DirectX 11 version of this game is very poorly optimized and will cause a lot of stutters and lags in game, so it's better to run this game on DirectX 9. Now let's change the in-game files to remove the FPS cap in this game. So open Steam and go to libraries and open Batman Arkham City. In here, open settings, then properties, and then installed file, and then browse your files. In here, open BM game, then config files, and then open the default engine in your notepad. In here, press F3 to open search menu and type size of permanent object pool. In here, this option will have a value of 116, then a certain number of zeros which will differ for everyone. Do not touch the zeros, just change the 116 value to 232. Again, only change the 116 value to 232. Do not touch any of the zeros in that. Now to remove the FPS cap, search B smooth option and then change the minimum smooth frame rate to 60 and maximum frame rate to 120. Now save the file and then right click on the file and tick the read only option and apply and OK. Now go back and open the engine folder, then config folder, and open the base engine file in notepad. In here, press F3 to open the search menu and then type B smooth option and find. In here, change the value of minimum smooth frame rate to 60 and maximum smooth frame rate to 120 and then save the file. Now go back and right click on the file and then properties and then select the read only option, then apply and OK. This should fix any stutters in the game. Now let's see how to fix any stutters or lags in Batman Arkham Origins game. So firstly, open Steam, then go to library and open Batman Arkham Origins game. Now open settings, then properties, then install file and select browse files. In here open single player, then BM game, then config folder, then open the BM engine file in notepad. Now press F3 to open the search menu and type B smooth option. So in here the B smooth frame rate value will be set to true as default. You need to change that true into false. After that press the find next option in the search menu to find the other B smooth frame rate option. In here the B smooth frame rate value will also be set to true as default. You need to change that true into false. Now go to the find menu and search depth of field. So in here the depth of field value will be set to true as default, so you need to change that true into false. Now again go to search option and type allow D3 D11. So in here check if the D3 D11 value is true or not by default. If it's not true, then you need to change it to true and change the D3 D10 option to false. Now save the file and then go back and right click on the BM engine file and select the read only option and apply and OK. This should fix any kind of lags and stuttering in the game, and you should be able to get a stable 60 to 80 FPS. Now let's see how to fix the crash for Batman Arkham Knight game. So if this game is crashing on your PC even before launch, then just go to Steam, go to library and open Batman Arkham Knight, then open settings and properties, and then under the launch options press dash windowed. This will fix the crash issue, but your game will launch in windowed mode. So I did manage to fix the crashing issue of this game with this fix, but even then the game was stuttering a lot, so I had to uninstall it. So that is it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video.